Hey, so this is the second part to day 2 in Peru. After Paracas, we took a 1-hour trip to Huacachina. We checked into the Desert Nights Hostel and went to eat next door at the Oasis de America. There, we shared one big, delicious meal for $5. It was very filling. We ordered the Peruvian chicken soup with Peruvian-style spaghetti pesto with an Inca Cola. After eating, we ventured out to the dune. Huacachina is the only natural desert oasis and the largest sand dunes in all of South America. Activities you can do there include sandboarding and dune buggying.
Is this not worth $30?
Your shoe's way better than mine. Buggy and sandboarding tours cost around $15 per person, so instead of paying $30 for two, we decided to hike up the dunes. Honestly, it's one of my favorite activities of all time.
Help me! Help! Going this way. They have a lot of trash over there. Jordan, please don't leave me. Jordan.
Walking around the circumference of the oasis was very pleasant. Trees lined it, shading us from the heat, and the occasional Pisco quenched our thirst. A new favorite of mine. We also saw a statue of a mermaid telling us the story of the oasis. Many such stories exist, but they all revolve around the girl who becomes a mermaid by swimming too long in the oasis, which, incidentally, she forms by tears, or by losing a mirror, or what have you.